lot of the American people.
I think they are, actually. I think that they're incensed. I think there's nothing scarier than a cornered dog. I've actually had a collision once with a cornered dog. I know exactly why they use that cliche. It was one of the scariest things I've ever seen, because the more you tried to get the dog out of the corner, the more vicious the dog got. And that's where these guys are. And, there is an awakening going on. I don't think the awakening is going as fast as we would all like. I'm not sure where the awakening is going to take us, but there is an awakening going on. There's people waking up. They're done with war. They don't want any more war. They don't want to go to war with Iran, which is the ultimate goal. And if they can't even get us into a war with a little tiny, crappy country like Syria, how are they going to get us in a war with somebody who can actually fight? And so I just don't know anymore. I don't think the American people can put up with it, so then we're no longer useful. And I wonder if that isn't the real thing that's going on right now. Okay, you guys aren't going to send your soldiers in to die for us.
We're going to kick your butts a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to pull the economy apart right in front of your eyes.
Oh,
that's what they're doing.
Pulling wings off flies to them.
Well, yeah.
Doesn't mean anything to them. They
don't really care. That's the thing we have to understand. They don't really care. They could care